Hello guys. I am Sr LDS. Today I bring you the Executor Fluxos tutorial. Together I will give my opinion about the Executor and some tips to improve your knowledge about exploits. Lastly, watch the entire video as it contains a free Robux code. There are 5 codes worth 100 Robux each hidden in the video. If you find it, send it to my Discord DM. In the video description contains a Pastebin link. Copy it and paste it in your browser. Copy the following link left on Pastebin and paste it in your browser. It will redirect you to the official website of the Fluxos. Click the download button. The Fluxos is available for mobile, iOS and Android, PC, Windows, Linux and Mac. As I'm a PC, I'll be downloading the Windows version, but you guys download the best rated one for you. Once downloaded, run the application. If you have any problems running it, disable your antivirus. If you are afraid or have any doubts, the Fluxos Executor does not have viruses or malware. It does not steal your personal information and disclose it or anything like that. Don't worry. Another frequent question: since there is no virus, why do you need to disable the antivirus? Basically, it's because in order to get to the Roblox kernel, the application will have to have access that the antivirus doesn't like, because other applications can steal information and things like that. Now with everything installed, let's learn how to get the key from the Fluxos.
Denk ich immer noch an dich. Heute bist du nicht mehr da, jetzt ist das Rampenlicht. Tausende von Narben hab ich nun in meinem Gesicht. Farbe in der Haut, ja diesen Schmerz, den hab nur ich. I think we are different. Our love was so magnificent. I tried so hard to know as far I could ever go. I think I broke myself. I think I went through hell, 'cause I tried our love, but your love was way above. Du bist nicht mehr da und ich will, dass du weißt, ja die Liebe am Arsch und die Herzen sind kalt, ja ich bin heute allein und doch sag ich dir eins.
Well, now that you have the key, just check it. If it is correct, the flows will open. A tip for you: learn to use the entire Executor. It has several super cool and useful options. Well, as soon as you open the flows to be using it, you'll need Microsoft's Roblox. If you don't have it, here's how you can have it. With Microsoft's Roblox open, you just need to log into your account and in the flows press the Inject button to inject the exploit, Hack. Put the script in the flows, enter the desired game and press Execute. So you will already have access to the hub to be able to play with the exploit. Well, now I will give my complete opinion and tips to favor you when using exploits in general. My score using the entire Fluxos system is 8/10. The Executor itself is very good. However, there are some things that put me off. Their key system is 3 linkvertise. There are executors that are only 1. This already discourages me too much from using their exploit. Be careful. Don't let your username leak while using the exploit, and always use alts to prevent yourself.
You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things and back to